What if your website could make money for you 24/7, even while you sleep? That's exactly what AI Niche Site Blueprint help you do. This system teaches you how to build profitable websites around hidden niches that already have buyers waiting. You'll learn how to pick the right keywords, set up your site fast, and let automation handles the rest. With the built-in Zerp AI app, your site practically runs itself, writing, optimizing, and posting content automatically so you can focus on growth, not maintenance. Once traffic starts coming in, you can earn through affiliate offers, ads, or pay-per-call deals, turning every visitor into potential income. It's a simple, proven way to create passive income streams without the stress or tech overload. If you're ready to let AI do the heavy lifting, click the link in the description and start building your own passive income machine with AI Niche Site Blueprint today.